Do you know how to handle a fire emergency at home? If not, you're not alone. Many people find themselves at a loss when faced with a fire, especially when the fire starts in the kitchen, the most common place for household fires to occur. Today, we're going to talk about how you can prevent and handle fire accidents at home. Firstly, prevention is always better than cure. Regular maintenance of your kitchen appliances, especially the gas stove and cylinder, can help prevent fires. Also, avoid leaving flammable materials like cloth or paper near the stove. If a fire does break out, it's important to stay calm and act quickly. If the fire starts on the stove, turn off the gas immediately. This will cut off the fuel supply to the fire. In case of a gas leak, turn off the cylinder and take it outside. If the fire has reached the gas pipe, turn off the gas knob or the regulator on the cylinder to stop the fire from spreading. If the fire has reached the cylinder, don't panic. It won't explode instantly. Soak a cotton sheet, blanket, or large towel in water and wrap it around the cylinder. This will extinguish the fire. If you have fire extinguishing equipment at home, use it. If the fire is on the gas knob, cover it immediately with a wet cloth. The fire will go out instantly. While wrapping the sheet around the cylinder, make sure to turn off the regulator. This will put out the fire. Always keep some water stored at home. Never leave the kitchen while cooking. In summary, regular maintenance and careful handling of kitchen appliances can prevent most fires. In the event of a fire, act quickly, stay calm, and cut off the fire's fuel supply. Use a wet cloth or sheet to extinguish small fires, and always have some water on hand. Remember, your safety is paramount. Don't hesitate to call the fire department if a fire becomes too large to handle. Stay safe.